How to request feature support on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and find the footer section. In the footer, look for the support link under the Explore section and click on it. This will take you to the Lalal.ai support page where you can find different ways to get help. To request a new feature, look for the contact email support@lalal.ai or any available contact form on the support page. Make sure to clearly describe the feature you want to request, why it would be helpful, and any specific details that can explain your idea better. Send your feature request via email or through the contact form provided. Wait for a reply from the Lalal.ai team. They usually respond to user feedback and feature suggestions. You can also browse the FAQ and help sections on the support page to check if your requested feature is already planned or in development. And that's it. Now you know how to request feature support on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.